Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Bitcoin from Kraken to your Tangem wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your Bitcoin securely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, keeping your assets in a hardware wallet like Tangem adds an extra layer of security against hacks and exchanges going down. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Kraken account with some Bitcoin in it, and your Tangem wallet set up and connected. Double check that your Tangem wallet is properly initialized and you have your recovery phrase safe. Security is key in crypto. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head over to the Kraken website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Funding or Withdraw section, usually found in the top menu or dashboard. Next, select Bitcoin from the list of assets. You'll see a search bar or drop-down. Type in BTC and choose it. Now, enter your Tangem wallet address. This is crucial, so grab it from your Tangem app or device. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so copy it accurately to avoid any mix-ups. After that, you'll need to specify the amount you want to withdraw. Enter the exact figure, but keep an eye on the network fees. Bitcoin transactions can get pricey depending on the blockchain congestion in 2025. Review all the details carefully, including the destination address and fees. Hit the Withdraw button and follow any additional verification steps. Kraken might send a 2FA code to your phone or email, so have that handy. Once confirmed, your transaction will be processed. It could take anywhere from 10 minutes to a few hours, depending on the Bitcoin network. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount to ensure everything works smoothly. And remember, once it's sent, it's gone for good, so double-check everything. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Bitcoin from Kraken to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and happy trading.